I'm in a 2013 Lexus RX 450, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we'll go in, we'll find this release lever to pull. Make sure this cable's attached and tight for this to work properly. Well, safety's been released, now we'll go to the front. And then most vehicles have a lever towards the middle. This one is right here, we're going to pinch and lift. So that's what that looks like on the inside. And then it just connects down here. So I'll make sure everything's properly tightened up with some WD-40 to loosen it if you need. Make sure nothing's bent. And then yeah, make sure all your hood's in proper alignment so it'll close straight. That's it. Hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.